Hi, my name is Nestor. I'm 22 years old and me, I joined my family with to Cuba. We are in the Islam called with for family and street was very special travel and economical rank. We live with Cuban family. We see very beautiful the New Havana, a very old and beautiful city. Agilai is our house and the new the culture and tradition and life we recommend a Colombian fair spectacular weeks and all spend our days in the blue world what neighborhood. People a very fine big treatment on Havana and shimmering the culture and food is easy. Still met guy would play ball dance salsa. My family and work the Grabando, Malecón and visit the museum gallery, the world and the bar Bodeguita of the Medio, where and end with a giant city country with very interesting story. Finally, 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 the water in Cuba is very good design on the hard year. Perfect with and more. My recommendation treat our house also blessed and time on the screen to wine enjoy very new. Thank you.